iPhone 6 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ. ಮಾಡು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೇಳು. ಬಿಚ್ಚು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಸ್ ಬಿಚ್ಚು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಬಿಚ್ಚು ಇವಾಗ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
iPhone 6 ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನು ಬಿಚ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಬಿಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬಿಚ್ಚುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಗುಡ್.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಆ ಕಡೆನೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ
Good girl. Remove that plate now. You want tweezer? To remove?
Okay.
Yeah.
Where is the remove?
This plate.
No, where is plate?
This is the plate. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Like that. You should hold it. Keep it aside.
Yes.
Anywhere you like. Okay.
Yeah.
Then next, take the screwdriver.
Screwdriver in there.
Here.
Again. Where is another?
Here, screws. You should remove all these screws also.
Okay. Because sorry. I can see.
Yeah. Keep it aside. Next screw.
Okay. Here I
Hold it properly. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ. This is iPhone 6 display replacement by Jiyana.
Yes. I'm cool.
Press it hard. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Yeah. Keep it aside.
Where is the display?
ಇದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿಕ್ಬೇಕು ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್.
Wait a minute. I want to.
You should hold it like this. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah.
Thank you. I can do this. And now.
One more is there. 1, 2, 3. There are many screws.
Many screws. So many screws there. This way. Yeah.
One more screw here.
Oh. I just missed. How many screws is there?
There are many screws.
Why? I many screws I have?
The other side. See here 3 screws are there.
Okay. I will do myself. How can you be? How can you be? How?
ನೀನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್.
I can't. Customers are waiting.
Yes, customers are waiting.
You go that way, go that way, go that way, go that way. Yes. Where is he?
They went out. By the time they come, you should repair it. Remove the screws
Where is he?
here.
There one?
Yeah.
I can't move myself. Hurry. Ow. I can't do this.
Hold it properly. You can.
Oh, many screws I have. Next.
Here.
How can it be? I can't hold myself. Wow!
Okay. Now we should open this 1 second. I'll open this because it's quite
Wait,
tricky.
wait.
No. Wait. It's quite tricky.
I want to do that. What is this?
I'll teach you. This is tweezer. You should hold the tweezer. Okay. First, just like this. Push it from the bottom. This is the home button. Okay. Keep it aside. And this is the strip which is connecting home button to the motherboard. So should be careful with the strip.
Why?
Wait. If it's not coming, we should heat it.
What?
We should heat it.
Huh? Heat it? What is that? What is that?
ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So note by opening it will come. See? And this we should give. This is the display. We should change it because it's been
This
been
being
broken.
broken because battery don't open.
Okay, we'll change the display now.
Yes. Where's the display?
Display.
No.
I'll just check where is the display. Okay.
Okay. Where is that?
We'll see. Tell bye to everyone.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching because I'm very display. Very interesting. Very coming to me. Very